How to log out of a Reddit account? Hello everyone. Have you created an account on the Reddit social network and don't know how to log out? Due to numerous updates, this option may not be clearly visible. I will show you where to find it. After opening the application, click on the icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Next to your username, there is a small arrow pointing down. Click on it. A new window opens with all your accounts. The one you are currently logged into is marked with a blue check mark. Next to that mark, there is another icon. This icon allows you to log out of your Reddit account. Click on it. The application again asks us to click on the logout option if we are sure about our decision. Click on Logout. You have successfully logged out and you can use the Reddit application as a non-logged-in user. I hope the video helped you. Follow us for more useful tutorials.